The 1st of July marks the 10th anniversary of Digital India, which is proving to be a milestone in India's progress. Villagers have started becoming a part of the country's Digital India campaign. Government work related to health, education and judicial services has started happening digitally. Now, over the last few years, through Digital India, India has set an example of how right use of technology can prove to be revolutionary for development of humanity. Let's take a look. In fact, we'll come back to that story because we have a little problem rolling it. But, you know, the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, widely hailed as one of the biggest economic reforms in post-independence India, will on Tuesday complete 8 years of its success, with collections soaring to a record 22.08 lakh crore rupees in 2024-25, marking a year-on-year growth of 9.4%, with the number of taxpayers in its ambit surging past 1.51 crores. So the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had called GST path-breaking legislation for New India at its launch on July 1, 2017. 8 years on, the numbers speak for themselves, reflecting India's strong fiscal position. The average monthly collection, in fact, stood at 1.84 lakh crore rupees in 2024-25, a blockbuster year. In 2020-21, the total collection was 11.37 lakh crore rupees, with a monthly average of about 95,000 crore rupees. Well, Tuesday, the 1st of July, marks the 10th anniversary of Digital India, as I was saying, and it's provided a milestone for India's progress. Let's take a look at this report.
Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is continuously moving towards a developed India. The Digital India campaign has strengthened the resolve in this direction. The Digital India project was launched on 1st July 2015 with the aim of improving the country's digital infrastructure system. In the last 10 years, through Digital India, India has set an example of how the right use of technology can prove to be revolutionary for the development of humanity. Today, instead of cash money in our pockets, we have started keeping money in our mobile wallets, and even the poorest of the poor people are moving ahead digitally. A revolution where technology meets inclusion. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Digital India, initiatives like UPI DBT are bridging gaps, boosting transparency and bringing governance closer to every citizen, right down to the last mile. Over 44 lakh crore of rupees directly transferred to beneficiaries' accounts, while more than 2,500 times jump has been recorded in UPI transaction volume. PM Modi asserted that powered by the youth of India, we are making remarkable progress in innovation and application of technology. It is also strengthening our efforts to become self-reliant and a global tech powerhouse. Over 17,000 crore UPI transactions have been recorded in just 1 year. Today, India accounts for 49% of global real-time digital payments, a testament to the power of Digital India initiative. Besides, government's program of providing unique identification number or Aadhaar is powering India's digital identity revolution. With over 150 billion authentication transactions, Aadhaar stands as the world's largest digital ID program, empowering 141 crore Indians with a unique 12-digit identity. Also developed under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Digital India is the flagship initiative of DigiLocker. The initiative towards paperless governance, DigiLocker aims at digital empowerment of citizens by providing access to authentic digital documents to citizens' digital document wallet. DigiLocker is a secure cloud-based platform for storage, sharing, and verification of documents and certificates. India is undergoing a remarkable transformation in artificial intelligence driven by the visionary leadership of PM Modi, from setting up AI centers of excellence in premier institutes to developing indigenous models like Bharat Gen, Sarvam 1, Chitralekha, and Everest 1.0. India is making bold strides in the world of AI. Bureau Report, DD India.